welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. I think I did pretty good. I only did 2 repeat items in both of my transactions because I have 2 different cards, but I like to show you guys as many deals as possible so you guys are super excited. I know. So there were some deals that I figured out while I was at the store, and I'm like, oh sweet, okay. So there are some different Ibotta deals, and there's some deals for Fetch Rewards, so I'm excited to share with you guys on that. So I'm going to show you guys what I did with one card, and then I will show you guys what I did with my old card. So my old card, I ended up getting the Rimmel eyeshadow. Now I know a lot of you guys are getting sick of the brows. I am too. I have so much brow pencils. It's ridiculous. I started actually using a different type of brow, like one of those liquid brows. So like my eyebrows are a little bit different. I'm still getting used to it, but I've had so much eyebrow stuff. It's ridiculous. And not everybody colors their eyebrows in. So one thing I really like getting is eyeshadow. That's something I wear all the time, and I've been really getting into these multi-packs. So I ended up getting these. I ended up getting the Magnifies Blush Edition and the Nude Edition. So I thought these were something super great. So these were each $8.99. I used 2 of those $3 off coupons that are on the Kellogg's Family Rewards coupons.com site. I don't know why they're just on that, but ended up using 2 $3 off coupons. I also had a 2 off of 8 Rimmel CRT, and then I also had a 4 off of 15 makeup coupon, so cosmetic coupon. So I ended up just paying $5.98 for the both of these. But then you guys buy 2, you get a $5 ECB, making it just 98 cents. And I'm like, yes, I will pay 49 cents for these. I think that is so worth it. So I was so excited to get some of these because, you know, I get eyebrow stuff like crazy, but I don't ever get like the nice variety of eyeshadow. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys with those. Now I did do the dial foam. I got the right ones these time. I screwed up at Walgreens this week for these. So these were $3.49. They're buy one get one 50% off. You guys also want to use that $1 off of 2 coupon that is on coupons.com. You guys would just pay $4.23 for the both of these. But then you guys will get $3 back in an ECB, making it just $1.23 or 61 cents, 62 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. We love this soap. It's our favorite soap. I used to get Bath & Body Works stuff like that, but you know what? I can get pretty much the same identical thing with that. So I got those. Stuff is just overflowing. I ended up getting the Irish Springs body wash. Now I had those $1 off coupons that were on coupons.com a couple weeks ago. They expire in a couple days, so I definitely wanted to use those up. So check and see if you guys still have any left. But these were 2 for $8. I used 1 paper coupon because that's all I had, plus I had a digital coupon. So I used 2 $1 off coupons. I also had a 2 off of 8 body wash. So I ended up paying $4 for the both of these. But then if you guys buy 2, you guys will get a $3 back ECB. So I got these each for 50 cents a piece. And I like the hydrating with shea butter. This is my favorite scent. I got my husband hooked on these. So wanted to share with you guys with those. I wanted to do the St. Ives deal. Now, some of your guys' stores are different. My store, your stores might have them for $4.99. My stores had them for $4.69, which basically means that I have to do the 98th percent rule, and I was just shy of the 98th percent rule. So what I ended up doing is I got 3 of these. These were each $4.69. And then I ended up getting this, the scrub. Now this was $6.99. So I got this for $6.99 and then this for 50% off, which was like I don't know, $4.69 or whatever half of $4.69 was. So then I got one for $4.69, and then I got the other one for 50% off all those, okay? So all 4 of these, I used 2 of those 3 off of 2 coupons that are expiring today that are in one of the red plums. 2 of those, so you guys would end up paying $10.37 for the 4 of these. But then you guys will get a $5 back ECB. And you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. If you guys haven't joined Fetch Rewards, I highly recommend it. You guys get bonus points for every certain products you buy, especially the Unilever. So anything with the Unilever symbol, you always get bonus points. I have a referral link below. You guys join, you get 2,000 points once you guys click my referral link. We're not on the same teams. You guys just get kind of a boost from starting. I'm starting to save my money on Fetch Rewards because I'm going for a free Christmas. So I'm going to show you guys videos on how to do that over the next couple weeks. So, and I ended up getting 163 points for Fetch Rewards. So that's a pretty good deal if you guys think so. But you guys would end up getting all 4 of these for $5.37 or just $1.34. So it's an okay deal. I mean, you can get them for 99 cents at Target, but this stuff counts for beauty. So I'll definitely be hitting beauty. Okay, I ended up getting the Febreze 1. Now, there is a coupon in the P&G for buy one, get one free, but it only takes up to $5 off. And then I also had a CRT for buy one, get one free, but that CRT only took the $2.49 off from the 50% off. So these were buy one, get one 50% off. You use that coupon, and then the other coupon, I ended up getting these for 99 cents. Like, yeah, it should be free for both of them, but that coupon only takes up to $5 off. So I'm like, whatever, 99 cents, that comes up to be 50 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty decent deal. So I ended up getting those. I ended up getting the Persil laundry detergent. Persil is my favorite laundry detergent. This was $4.94. You guys want to use those $2 off coupons that we just got in today's paper. I don't get them, so I printed mine from coupons.com. You guys would just pay $2.94. But then what popped up on Saving Star this morning is $2 off when you guys buy one. I like getting my Saving Star items at CVS because it automatically submits my receipt for me. I don't have to do anything. So I ended up just getting this bad boy for just 94 cents, which I think is a pretty good deal. Like I said, Persil is my favorite laundry detergent. I love it. And then the last item I got the Revlon. Now I had a $4 off CRT that I received from last week, so I just ended up getting these. I really enjoy these. I use these all the time. But what flavor is this? Berry Burst. So these were $4.99. I used that $4 off CRT, so I just got this for 99 cents. I'm like, that's a pretty decent deal. So the next deal I got is the Colgate Sensitive. Okay, now there's 2 different ways of doing this. There is 75% off coupons that you guys can print from Colgate.com. Otherwise, we had those $1 off coupons. Something's like sticky. Oh, it's a piece of tape. Otherwise, we had those $1 off coupons that popped up on coupons.com a couple weeks ago. I never used them, so what I ended up doing is I used I messed up. I don't know what I did. Yeah, I think I took pictures of the wrong items, but I ended up using the $1 off coupons for these. So these were $3.99. I used those $1 off coupons, or you guys can use those 75% off coupons. But you can buy 2 or more, I think, with the Colgate Sensitive. But if you guys use the 75% off coupon, you guys would pay $3.24. If you use that $1 off coupon, you guys would just pay $2.99. you guys will end up receiving a $2 ECB times 2, and you guys can submit a $1 rebate, whatever, on Ibotta. I did it twice, so I ended up getting a $2 rebate on Ibotta. So you guys would just get these absolutely free with the $1 off coupon, or you guys would get them for just 24 cents with the 75-cent off coupon, which is still a pretty good deal. So Colgate Sensitive. Now, that was my one transaction. My total came to 47 cents for everything. I used $34 worth of ECBs, but I received $20 back. Now, I also had an 8 off of 60 or something like that. So I ended up using that too. But I ended up receiving $20 worth of money from Ibotta, and then I received 163 points for Fetch. And then I also will be receiving a $2 rebate for Saving Star for the Persil. So that came to $10.47 if you guys really figured that out. But 47 cents is what I technically paid for all that stuff, which is awesome. So now my second transaction, I ended up doing the dial deal again. So that's the same deal as before. I ended up doing, no, I got the Colgate enamel. Now, Ibotta, there's only one deal. You can't do this more than once if you guys do this. So, the Colgate enamel is $3.99. I used that $1 off coupon, but when I did take a picture of it, I used the 75 cents. So, you guys, I'm just going to do the math with the dollar factored in because that's what I have written down. So you guys would pay $2.99 for this, but then you guys can use submit a $2, or you guys will end up getting a $2 back ECB, and you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, making this a 51-cent moneymaker. Now, if you guys use that 75-cent coupon, it ends up being like a 27 or 26-cent moneymaker. So, pretty good deal. You know, can't go wrong with that. Got some M&Ms. Now, these were $2.99. You guys want to use send that $1 off coupon on your app. Plus, we have a $1 off coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just get this for 99 cents. So, I like getting M&Ms for 99 cents. And I know we'll be getting tons of M&Ms over the next couple weeks for that. Now, I'm going to apologize to you guys in advance, but I did get more eyebrow pencils because I wanted to just get some other deals. So these were $4.69 at my store. I used 2 of those $2 off coupons that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. So I used the insert coupons instead in case you guys can't print those off. And then I had a 2 off of 8 Rimmel CRT, and then I also used a 2 off of 12 CRT that I used that I got with all my makeup for makeup, but I didn't factor in the 2 off of 12, just giving you guys a heads up. So I paid $3.38 for the both of these. I got a $5 back ECB, making it a $1.62 moneymaker. So I got those absolutely free. Now, also with my 2 off of 12, I had the Physicians Formula. Now, these were $10.49. I had a $4 off coupon that I got from a couple weeks ago that is no longer available. It was my last and final one. I also used that 2 off of 12 coupon, but I did not factor that in because everybody's different. But I ended up paying $6.49 for this after that coupon. But then you guys will receive $7 in the ECB. So this becomes a 51-cent moneymaker. So I think that is a pretty good deal. I myself am not a big fan of this mascara. I tried it. I'm not a big fan. So I got it for other people. Again, I had the $4 off Revlon, so I just got the Berry Kiss because I like getting those. And I actually really like it. They do give you a tint, so just giving you guys a heads up on that. I got the one Febreze one again. Now, again, these are $5.99 and this is $4.99. It's buy one get one 50% off. So this is like $5.99 and then it's like $2 something. So the coupon does take off $5, so pretty much takes $5 off of this. So you get this for 99 cents, and this you'd get for like $2.49. So if you guys think about it, I got both of these for $3.48. So not the greatest deal, but I wanted to share with you guys in case you guys really like that. And then I also got some razors. I got the Venus razors. Now these were $8.99. Something happened to the back of this. Oh, it's like it got leaked on. Oh, they're dry, so that's weird. So these were $8.99. I used two $3 off coupons that we got from the August P&G. I also had a 5 off of 2 CRT for Venus razors. You guys would just pay $6.98 for the both of these, but then you guys will get an $8 ECB, making it just a $1.02 money maker. So I got these absolutely free. So I like it when I can get free razors. And then the last deal I did was the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. Now this deal does end today, just to give you guys a heads up on it, the coupons. So my store, they were $6.59. It was buy one get one 50% off. You guys want to buy 4 of them, so I bought 4 of them. Okay, you guys want to use 2 of those $5 off of 2 coupons that we got from our inserts. I also had a 4 off of 18 shampoo and conditioner. I paid $5.77 for the 4 of these, but then you guys will get a $5 ECB back, making it just 77 cents for all 4 of them. I think that is an excellent deal. Now you can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and I ended up getting 602 points for all 4 of those. So like I said, you guys definitely want to join Fetch Rewards. You just scan your receipt and you guys get points. If there's nothing on your receipt, you still get 25 points for just scanning your receipt. So giving you guys with a heads up with that. So that total came to $4.34. I ended up using $30 worth of ECBs, but then I received $30 worth of ECBs back. I ended up getting $1.50 back with Ibotta for the Colgate enamel. And then I got I got 602 points for Fetch Rewards. So that total came to $2.82. If you add both transactions, it came to $13.82 is what I technically got everything for, but you guys know what I actually paid for. I actually paid, $4.34 and 47 cents. You guys combine them together, plus the money I got from Savings Star and Ibotta, it came out to be a 69-cent moneymaker. So I got absolutely everything for free. I ended up getting 32 items all for free. So I hope you guys really enjoy these CVS hauls. I was really trying to, push it. And one thing I do want to mention to you guys is I will no longer be working on Sundays anymore. So I can get up a little, I can still sleep in it because it's the only day I will be able to sleep in. But I'm going to sleep in, just get up and get going and show you guys deals so you guys don't have to wait for me to get done with work. So that's a good thing for everybody. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys all next week for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.